Big Deal provides support and information to young people who are being affected by gambling and related activities, such as loot boxes found in online gaming. We also support you if you don't gamble, but are worried, influenced, or impacted by friends or family members gambling too. This video will focus on how to use self-care to manage negative behaviour. This guide does focus on gambling, but this advice can be applied in other areas of your life. Focus and engage with other hobbies. Do you enjoy drawing or painting, enjoy wall climbing, or enjoy being on the decks? Doing the activities that you love are a great way of taking your focus away from the urge to gamble. If you haven't done these hobbies in a while, then maybe it's time to get back into them. Pick up the phone. Talking to your loved ones, or even visiting them if you can be a great source of support and a form of distraction in the best way possible. For example, the time that you used to spend gambling can be replaced by visiting your grandparents or FaceTiming your bestie or doing other activities with friends you trust and respect. Learn something new. Everyone has something that they want to learn or master. This could be a new instrument, maybe the ukulele, or a new language, hola, or even learning to become a YouTuber. Depending on your interests, challenge yourself to do something that you've always wanted to do. It can be a better way to use the time that you might have otherwise been gambling. Take control of your thinking. Practice mindfulness. Sometimes the mind can be so noisy and thoughts of gambling can contribute to this. Try to block out the negative thoughts by practicing mindfulness. Go to a quiet place and take some time just to be still. Focus inwardly on what's going on in the present. A way to help with this is to focus on how a particular body part feels, or to just focus on your breathing. There are a few apps out there that can be used to guide you through this as well. Sometimes it's the little things that can help, and with meditation, it can help you to get better control over your thoughts, as well as focus on more positive feelings. Don't worry if you don't get the hang of it on the first go. This is a skill that you'll hone over time. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. We hope you found it useful. Remember, if you liked the video, don't forget to share it on your socials and practice some of the tips in the video. For more information on gambling, visit the Big Deal website, www.bigdeal.org.uk. If you're worried about your own gambling or the gambling of friends or family, you can contact our support team through live chat on the Big Deal website, or just call 0808 8020 133.